right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their wall mountable paper towel holder. Nothing on the box at all. What we got? The first part. Ooh, nice. Wow, very nice. That's it for the box. So here's the actual wall mountable paper towel holder. They include you an Allen wrench and screws. Oh, and so you can use the screws, or they give you double-sided tape. You can just double-sided tape it to the side. Now you put your paper towels on, and then this basically goes down and locks to hold it into place. And then you just press the button to take it off. Very, very nice. It does have a little instruction set as well, telling you how to do what I just told you. So let's throw this up real quick and show you what it looks like. So, use the double-sided tape and got it mounted here to the wall right by our stove where it's, useful. Press the little button to pull this off, and then you can slide this on, and then basically you kind of mush it down. And there we go. Now your towels are securely held, and whenever you need a new one, just hit your button, take that off, pull off the roll, slide a new one on, clip it back into place, and you're good to go. Thanks again to this company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.